In this video, I will talk about both TikTok and Instagram algorithm. How both of these algorithms work. The TikTok algorithm is a recommendation system that determines which videos will appear on your For You page. No two users will see the same videos on their For You page, and the videos you see might change over time based on your viewing preferences and even your current state of mind. Social platforms originally kept their algorithms secret. This makes sense, since the recommendation system is a proprietary technology that helps make each social network unique. Algorithms are a key way social networks can draw us in and keep us paying attention. TikTok doesn't want spammers and other shady characters to be able to game the algorithm to get more attention than they deserve. However, as people have become more skeptical about the inner workings of social networks, most platforms have revealed the basic workings of their algorithms. Fortunately, that means we now know some of the key ranking signals for the TikTok algorithm, straight from TikTok. Like the Instagram algorithm, the TikTok algorithm bases recommendations on a user's interactions with content on the app. What kind of interactions? Anything that offers clues about the kind of content the user likes or doesn't like. The For You page recommends content based on several factors, including which accounts you follow, creators you've hidden, comments you've posted, videos you've liked or shared on the app, videos you've added to your favorites, videos you've marked as not interested, videos you've reported as inappropriate, longer videos you watch all the way to the end, aka video completion rate, content you create on your own account, interests you've expressed by interacting with organic content and ads. 1. Video information. While user interaction signals are based on the way you interact with other users on the app, video information signals are based on the content you tend to seek out on the Discover tab. This can include details like captions, sounds, hashtags, effects, trending topics. Asterisk if you want to understand more about how your TikTok hashtag strategy affects your reach via the algorithm. 3. Device and account settings. These are settings TikTok uses to optimize performance. However, since they're based on one-time settings choices rather than active engagements, they do not have as much influence on what you see on the platform as user interaction and video information signals. Some of the device and account settings included in the TikTok algorithm are language preference. Country setting, you may be more likely to see content from people in your own country. Type of mobile device. Categories of interest you selected as a new user. Instagram algorithm. The Instagram algorithm is a set of rules that rank content on the platform. It decides what content shows up, and in what order, on all Instagram users' feeds, the Explore page, the Reels feed, hashtag pages, etc. The Instagram algorithm analyzes every piece of content posted to the platform. It takes metadata, including captions and alt text applied to images, hashtags, and engagement metrics, into account. Based on this information, it distributes content in a way designed to ensure that users have easy access to what they are most interested in seeing. How Instagram ranks feed posts and stories. Instagram users want to see content from friends and family in their feed and stories. So the ranking process for these two is more or less the same. Aside from the occasional ad, your feed and stories will only display content from people you follow. In order to accurately rank the content in your feed and stories, Instagram prioritizes the following signals. Post information. The Instagram algorithm looks at the popularity of a post in terms of likes. It also considers other minor details like post timing, duration, in the case of videos, and location, if any. Information about the poster. To get a sense of how important the person is to you, Instagram considers signals like how often you interact with the person and whether those interactions are recent. User activity. Instagram tries to understand what you might be interested in based on factors such as how many posts you've liked and what types of content you tend to engage with. Interaction history. Instagram tries to get a better idea of your general interest in seeing content from a particular user by looking at signals like whether or not you comment on their posts and vice versa. The Instagram algorithm then uses all of this information to make predictions on how likely you are to interact with a given post. For example, in the feed, it will look closely at how long you are going to spend looking at the post, how likely you are to comment on it, like it, or save it, and how likely you are to check out the profile. So posts that you see high up in your feed are ones that the algorithm considers you'll most likely take an action on. How the Instagram Explore page algorithm works. The main goal of the Explore page is to introduce you to new things. So although Instagram still delivers content based on what you'll be most interested in, most of the posts will come from accounts you don't follow. To determine which posts to rank, the algorithm first looks at posts you've interacted with in the past. It then finds out who else has interacted with those posts and what other accounts they're interested in. This helps the Instagram algorithm to narrow down which posts to rank for your Explore page. After finding a group of posts you might be interested in, Instagram then ranks them using the following signals. Post information. Instagram looks at the popularity of a post based on how many likes, comments, and saves it's received. But these signals weigh much more heavily for the Explore page than for feed and stories. Interaction history. Although the post may be from an account you don't follow, Instagram can understand how interested you are in their content based on whether you've interacted with their posts in the past. User activity. Instagram considers the posts you've liked, shared, and commented on. It also looks at the history of how you've interacted with other posts in your Explore page. Information about the poster. Instagram also considers information about the poster, such as how much interaction they've received in the past few weeks. This helps the algorithm to find high-quality content from a wide range of users. How Instagram ranks Reels. The main goal of Instagram Reels is to entertain. As a result, many of the videos you see will come from accounts you don't follow. It's very similar to the Explore page in that aspect. The main difference is that instead of just considering what you might be interested in, Instagram focuses specifically on content that might entertain you. Instagram makes important predictions such as how likely you are to watch a reel until the end and engage with it. Another important consideration is how likely you are to visit the audio page, because this could signal whether or not you'd want to make your own reel. The most important ranking signals for Instagram Reels are: user activity. Instagram looks at the reels you've interacted with recently to get a better understanding of the content that might be relevant to you. Interaction history. Some of the videos you see might be from accounts that are new to you. But if you've interacted with them in the past, it helps Instagram understand how interested you might be in their content. Reel information. Signals about the content elements in a reel also help Instagram to rank videos appropriately. This may include information like audio tracks and popularity. Information about the poster. When it comes to Reels, the algorithm tries to give everyone an equal chance to find their audience. So smaller creators and new accounts have a chance to shine and reach a wider audience. Video popularity is an important consideration so the algorithm can display content from a wide range of people. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos.